Hello everyone, my name is Yvonne and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is unboxing my first ever Louis Vuitton purchase. So ito yung Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet na tinatawag. So, charan! So this is it guys. Nabili ko to sa Ion Orchard, Singapore and this is worth 780 Singaporean dollars. Philippine pesos is 28,200 pesos.
Huh?
Wow.
You serious?
Why did I bought this? Okay, my answer, simple. YOLO. You only live once. Do things that makes you happy. Remember to reward yourself once in a while. Hindi. Actually, this is a reward, a gift for myself for surviving 5 years working here in Singapore. Yes! Anyway, back to the topic tayo. So, ito na nga siya. Nabili ko siya and binigay nila nakaganito. Naka-paper bag siya. Orange. Very cute, di ba? Yung paper bag. And kapag nandito sa loob, guys, is meron siyang envelope, Louis Vuitton envelope. And ano nga ba yung meron dito guys? Ang meron lang po dito sa envelope na to is social, resibo. Resibo siya guys. Yan. Buti pa yung resibo na i-envelope pa siya. And then, this is the wallet. And ito siya guys. This is the wallet. Naka-box siya. Nakalagay siya sa cute na box. Ayan. And yung box na guys is parang drawer. Bubuksan mo lang siya. Ganyan. Yes, ganyan. And ito yung wallet. Ayan. Ito yung wallet niya guys. So yung wallet nakalagay sa cloth. Na very cute cloth din, na parang wallet din. So, buksan mo yung cloth. So, this is the wallet! Yay! Okay. Front view. Back view. Side view. Side view. Top, bottom, top. Okay. So, this is the wallet. Very cute wallet. So, ito, tinatawag nilang Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. By the way, guys, meron silang tatlong colors for this wallet. Meron silang monogram. And then, meron silang rose ballerine. And the third one is this. Fuchsia pink. Yes, fuchsia pink. So, the dimensions nito, guys, is the length is 12 centimeters. This one is 9.5 centimeters. And the width is 2.5 centimeters. So, napipicture nyo ba kung gaano kalaki itong wallet na to? Hindi, di ba? So, para mapicture nyo na maayos, I have here a cellphone. This one is a S9 Plus Samsung. So, i-compare ko siya dito. So, yan. Yung wallet na to, hindi siya ganon kalaki, hindi rin siya ganon kaliit. Di ba? So, this is the wallet. Okay, so, alam niyo na kung gaano siya kalaki, gaano siya kaliit. And bubuksan na natin. By the way guys, this wallet is coated leather siya guys. Leather. Ganda siya. And pag bubuksan natin, merong maririnig na. Diba? Tick. Very safe siya. Pag nasara natin, close natin. Tick. Sabi niyo, diba? Pag pinupush ko siya ng ganyan, hindi siya basta-basta nabubuksan guys. So, it's very safe. Kailangan may force. So, safe siya guys. So, pag binuksan natin guys, this is the interior. Ito yung inside niya guys. Very feminine. It's fuchsia. It's pink. Closer look. Okay. So, ganyan siya guys. So, as you can see, meron siyang card slots dito, card slots dito. So, meron siyang 3 card slots dito. and another 3 card slot here. So, total 6 card slots. Pwede nyo ilagay yung ATM, credit card, IDs. There. Total 6. And meron sa inside, this is a flat pocket here. You can put resibo here, anything, resibo ng mga utang, ganyan. And then another flat pocket here. Ayan. Sakto, pwede rin isang card. Pwede rin isang card dyan. And of course, meron dito yung bill pocket. Yung mga paper money, lagay dito. And kita nyo naman, malalim siya guys. Hindi siya basta-basta nakukuha. Nabubunot yung pera, di ba? So, yan. And of course, meron tayong zip coin pocket. Ayan. Zip coin pocket na meron siyang fuchsia pink din dito na cute. And ilagay dito yung coins. Uy, ano to? Oh, meron siyang barcode. Louis Vuitton Victorine fuchsia. Ito. Victorine fuchsia. So, yan. And kita nyo yung zipper niya guys is obvious na hindi siya pipitsugin. Diba? Halata natin yung mga ibang bag na kapag yung zipper niya na ginaganon is parang halatang madaling masira, diba? Pero this one, no. It's matibay siya guys. Yan. And ito yung mga gold niya dito. Nakalagay siyang Louis Vuitton. Yes. And like that. That's it. Diba? So, overall, this one is perfect. Tingin ko naman, itong wallet na to is perfect, worth the price. And, talaga siya, very compact wallet siya. Kompleto na, diba? So, thumbs up for this. Okay. So that's all for this video, and thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like, share, and comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you again on my next video. Bye!